right, so today's a very special day. I have an unboxing, and this is what I got for you guys. It came straight from Mother Russia itself, Moscow. It was shipped, well, let's see, not even about a week ago. So I guess the Putin's postal service actually does work wonders. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video right here and make a very quick disclaimer. This is not a full in-depth review. It is just simply an unboxing and initial impressions. But with that out of the way, let's jump right back into the video. But let's open it up and can show you what's inside. Now, I had ordered this because a lot of people had said some very interesting, actually no, it's not cut towards myself, said some really interesting things about these watches. And that's a, did I cut the case? A Vostok Amphibia. So I have, what is this? Oh, my instructions are outside the box. That's kind of odd. Setting the time. What subdial not suitable for, okay. Yeah, so this is a Vostok Amphibia. It's the 420059 and comes in this, I'm going to say rather flimsy looking case. I think that's my own doing. I must have scratched the case. And I had a lot of people telling me that these things were like, you know, absolute trash, or at the same time, other people were praising them, telling me that they were amazing little dive watches, especially for the money. You can get these things for about $100 Canadian, or 100-ish. So about $80 US, 75, 80 bucks. But let's see what's inside here. All right. So what we got going on here? I know you guys actually just want to see the watch. I want to see what's inside here. Stuff that I can't read. Okay, so that would explain why. These are all in Russian. All right. Oh boy, they spared no expense for packaging. The reason why I went with this shark mesh bracelet is because, yeah, I've heard a lot of things about the stock standard bracelet is absolute trash, so I wanted to not get that. But I mean, it is running. Oh, do you want to what really sucks though? It's not the 21st. It is the 20th, and on my wrist is actually my Orient Mako USA 2, and that's kind of a comparison. So let's yank this off right now, and okay, I see. Ooh, they do call this the Scuba Dude. Okay, that's just, why would they? Okay, I don't even know. Like, why would they even make a bezel that, like, it's not even ratcheting? Like, but yeah, okay, all right. Let's try and peel this off here. Where is that? Okay, there we go. Ooh, I see. That's just dust. Ooh, dome crystal. I actually would like that. Although that just means it's gonna scratch pretty easily. So I will have to size this, although I have no idea how I'm gonna do that. Get my tools out and figure that one out. Let's see how it fits on wrist. They say it's a 39mm dial, but I have okay, I have lots of slack, so I'm going to take quite a bit out. I'll have to figure out how to do that. Anyways, well, that's kind of what it looks like on wrist. It's a pretty nice little guy. Is a screw down crown. The one thing is that, my goodness, this crown is floppy. Like, okay, it's a pain in the butt to, there we go. My goodness, Just trying to pull it out. So there is no hacking. Okay, I heard that there's like a trick you can do because there's no quick set date function, right? So basically you're either gonna have to do it around the entire things, switch it over, or I think it's like you go to the 4 or 5 o'clock position and then you spin it back. Oh my goodness, it just get caught. This is a, there we go. And yeah, so that is a way that you can, I guess, speed it up. I understand they did it not having crown guards basically so that you wouldn't knock it. Like if you knocked it, it wouldn't wreck the movement. But this, it doesn't give you a whole lot of like confidence in the way it works. But I mean, it is a nice little guy. As I said, this watch is a really, really beautiful dial, and I think that's a really big selling point about this watch and just the history behind it. But this obviously isn't a full in-depth review. That will come at a later date once this watch has garnished sufficient wrist time. I will be showcasing on how a video on how to size the shark mesh bracelet, which, by the way, is super comfortable. And I know that I glossed over or didn't even mention a lot of features about this watch or specs, such as, you know, having a 31-hour power reserve. It's kind of on the low side. Now, that will be coming at a later date. Now, obviously, if you did like the video, please drop a like and obviously subscribe to see more awesome stuff in the future. I will be making more videos about my Prelude because people keep asking about that, so don't worry, those will come. But anyways, I'm going to leave it off there, and hopefully you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll catch you later. See ya.